In geometry, some shapes are special. Today, we're looking at the 30-60-90 triangle and the unique relationship between its side lengths, which is 1 to the square root of 3 to 2. A 30-60-90 triangle is a right triangle, meaning one of its angles is exactly 90 degrees. The other two angles are, as the name suggests, 30 and 60 degrees. This specific set of angles creates a triangle with very predictable properties. Every right triangle has a hypotenuse, which is the side opposite the 90-degree angle. The other two sides are called legs. In a 30-60-90 triangle, we call them the short leg and the long leg. The short leg is always opposite the smallest angle, which is the 30-degree angle. We use this side as our starting point. Think of its length as 1 unit, or x. The long leg is across from the 60-degree angle. Its length is always the length of the short leg multiplied by the square root of 3. So, if the short leg is x, the long leg is x times the square root of 3. Finally, the hypotenuse is opposite the 90-degree angle. It's the longest side, and its length is exactly double the short leg. If the short leg is x, the hypotenuse is 2x. So, the complete ratio for the sides of any 30-60-90 triangle is 1 to the square root of 3 to 2. This means the side lengths are in the proportion of short leg to long leg to hypotenuse. Let's try an example. If the short leg of a 30-60-90 triangle is 5, we can find the other sides. The long leg would be 5 times the square root of 3. The hypotenuse would be 5 times 2, which is 10. What if we know the hypotenuse first? If the hypotenuse is 12, we work backward. The short leg is half the hypotenuse, so it's 6. The long leg is the short leg's length, 6, times the square root of 3. Remember these key points. A 30-60-90 triangle always has angles of 30, 60, and 90 degrees. The sides always follow the ratio of 1 to the square root of 3 to 2, which represents the short leg, the long leg, and the hypotenuse.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.